slept here at an Iowa rest stop last night, which wasn't too bad. It wasn't too loud or anything, but it's cold now, and it looks like I don't have a hoodie, any type of sweatshirt, which I know I packed one, but I looked everywhere for it. So that's something I'm going to have to figure out pretty quickly. Not only is it cold, but there's no sun out this morning either. I'm glad this rest stop has Wi-Fi, because I think I'm going to spend, the first part of my day here. My MacBook is like almost dead, so I'm going to go in there, charge it up, and do whatever. And then we'll see what this day brings. I'm working on uploading my new video right now. It's almost halfway there. It's taking a while because it's bigger than ever and better than ever. But it's afternoon now and it's still cold. So the past few days it was cold in the morning and then started to kind of warm up. It's not really doing that, so I think it's going to be a priority to get myself a jacket. Alright guys, I just finished uploading the video. It's 3 o'clock right now, and I am going to get back on the route to Omaha. I think I'm like a little bit over an hour away from it. I know there's a Planet Fitness there. The two things that I really want to do, I want to get a jacket and I want to take a shower. So let's go. Alright guys, I just got here to the Jesse James Historical Site. This is where the first highway train robbery took place in America. Let's check it out.
more sugar that he'd eat half the family. Ran Hercules as an affable property, slap at the wrist from capitalist democracy. And so in every generation after the shares passed down, now split between 6 ladies, and my mother had the stocks till the 1980s.
Alright guys, I decided to go to this Salvation Army here. It's like right outside of Omaha. And I found this Nautica jacket. It's actually pretty nice for $6. It's got this lining on the inside, which is cool. I mean, it's clean and in good shape, so definitely worth it. And it's warm. So I gotta go get a shower now. I'm on my way to Planet Fitness.
With premium, you can save your tunes to play without an internet connection. So it doesn't matter
Omaha, baby! It's good to be here, guys. Alright, guys. I'm in the back of the Jeep. I'm at a 24-hour Walmart. And I'm going to get to sleep. So, this will conclude the video. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think, is going to be all about finding work in Omaha. So I'll film kind of like the whole process of how I find work and everything like that, and hopefully it'll work out and I will find something. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you tomorrow.